Decent one. Ooh, ho, ho, ha. Look at that. Choked it, absolutely choked it. Oh, no way. This is the fish that just broke me off. I wasn't recording, but this fish, I had another wacky rig on, and it broke me off because I think the rocks were on it. Yeah, this is the same fish, bro. No, there's a hook in his mouth. No way. That's funny, bro. Dude, he ate it right away. Like, I hit the water and I saw my line moving. Yeah, he wasn't big at all. He felt big, though. Look at it. That's gotta be my hook, bro. That looks like the same hook. Look at that. He wanted to be saved. Yeah, that is my hook. Thanks, buddy.